You see how badly the rust has damaged the car over many years. The bonnet is completely collapsed and the grille is barely holding on. You can see the heavy rust has eaten through the chrome and grille here. The corrosion around the headlights and bumper is severe. You can see how the accumulation of moisture and these dry leaves has caused severe rust damage inside the engine compartment. You can see that the interior has been completely untouched for years, and the moisture has damaged so many parts. You can see the severe rust around the wheel arches and suspension, and the lower body sections are completely corroded. The paint is faded and the car is exactly as expected: extensive rust, a collapsed hood, and flat tires. The next step is arranging transport for full restoration. After years abandoned in the backyard, this Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow is finally on its way to the workshop for restoration. The first step is deep cleaning and pressure washing the entire vehicle. We need to strip away the years of dirt, leaves, and heavy rust. You can see now the real condition is visible after removing all the dirt. The wash is complete. Next, we'll dismantle these damaged parts and move on to the restoration. Before we can begin the body restoration, the damaged bonnet and all these old exterior parts must be removed. You can see here the severe hidden damage revealed after removing the bonnet and front bumper. The engine bay is heavily rusted and the metal is damaged beyond easy repair. All right, so this engine, these mechanical parts, they're old, they're damaged, they must be removed for a full restoration. You can see the heavy rust here and the severe internal wear on these valves and the pistons. We need a deep cleaning on all components. The engine rebuild is complete, polished, and ready. Next up, those rusty body panels. The crankshaft and these pistons are finally clean and ready for rebuilding with new components. Absolutely pristine. The sanding process reveals just how deep this rust damage goes, right here between the patch and the paint. You can see how the new steel integrates perfectly, giving us the structural strength we needed. The welds are solid. The body is now structurally repaired and almost ready for primer and paint preparation. We have addressed all the damage and welded patches. The glossy black paint completely transformed this abandoned Rolls-Royce. The mirror-like finish highlights its restored luxury. The interior is completely restored to perfection. Now it's time for the rebuilt engine. The exterior assembly is almost complete. We are now installing the final finishing parts on this beautiful Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow. All right, time for the moment of truth. And there we go. Perfection.